Hi, this is BB with the MyFishCount team. This tutorial will introduce you to the weather feature on the MyFishCount app. To start, we'll click to open the app, which brings you to this screen. At the bottom right-hand corner, there'll be an icon of a cloud marked Weather. Select that. If you have opened it before, it should find your location, and if not, you'll be able to enter your zip code at the top right here, or if you would like to change your location, you can enter the zip code at the top. So this screen will give you current weather conditions in your area. Once you select the Forecast tab, the next tab, you can see information that are forecast for several days, and you can click on each of these to get even further detailed information. So tonight it's indicating areas of fog with winds from 8 to 15 miles per hour and some additional information. You can close that and go check another date. Let's see what's happening on Friday. Down here, we'll get some more details on there. Again, it will come up with more detailed information. And we will click out of there. The next tab would be the Marine tab with the coastal information and forecast. On this screen, you can see the coastal waters forecast and check this information out. So I will open the Charleston Cooper River entrance. I'll tap on that so you can see the tidal information for this location. And this is what it shows you for the tides. Close that back up. And there are several locations in the near vicinity that have the coastal or marine component available. The next tab is alerts. If there are any alerts, such as a dense fog advisory like we have here, or a small craft advisory, they would be listed here. So we click to open this up. It shows that tonight there's a dense fog advisory issued and gives more details on that. It also has another special weather alert, which is also fog related in this case. Areas of fog will continue to expand across the coastal counties. So this is where you would look to check and see if there were any special weather alerts in your location. This RealTime tab is going to show you real-time information being collected at different locations, at different types of locations. So this green tab that I just selected is a fixed location in Folly Island or Folly Beach, South Carolina, showing you detailed information reporting in real time. I will close that one back up. The next, that was a green one. The next one we'll show you would be one of these red tabs, which is a buoy marker. This is reporting real-time weather information from a buoy in this location. And then if we select a yellow dot, it will show real-time weather information being collected from a ship that's reporting. I'm going to take us back to the current conditions, and I hope that this tutorial will give you some insight on using the weather feature to help you aid in your planning of your fishing trips. So don't forget to log all of your trips, follow MyFishCount team on Facebook and Instagram, and thank you for using MyFishCount.